Here at Farland Classic Restoration, we pride ourselves on having both interesting and unusual cars. Here's our Porsche 912 that we converted to electric drive. That's pretty uncommon. And an Arnold Bristol. Now that's quite unusual, and hiding behind it is a really nice little old MGA. And next to that, here's a Morgan Plus 4, which is pretty unusual, but these all pale in significance to this one, an Isetta 300, the world's largest production single-cylinder automobile. And we've got a pretty darn nice one here. A lot of people know a little bit about these cars. They were built in post-war Germany when transportation was very necessary and needed. And these gave a person an opportunity to have something like a motorcycle, but still have a roof and a door and windows that closed, because in the wintertime it was a lot more practical. Some of these were built with dual rear wheels. Others, like this one, were built with a single rear wheel, which meant that they were taxed like a motorcycle, which made them even more affordable. The BMW company in Germany used their single-cylinder motorcycle engine and transmission to power the car. In fact, BMW designed and built the whole thing. And it has typical BMW touches all over it. Very imaginative, very unusual. This particular one has been the subject of an ongoing restoration. Our shop has just recently done the brakes, new upholstery of the correct pattern. We put a whole new wiring harness and battery in the car. And just before it came here to us, the engine and transmission were completely overhauled by an Isetta specialist, and we have all the receipts for all of that work. Somewhere along the line, the car was repainted in one of the popular color combinations they had at the time, red and white two-tone. Turn signals were an option. They didn't all have those. And it's a fun little thing to drive. It has new tires, new battery, and as we'll show here in a little bit, you twist the key, it starts right up. These were made in steel. This one doesn't show any signs of rust or corrosion in it. And they were an extremely interesting car. This is how you get in. The whole front of the car opens up, pulls the steering wheel out of your way, so it's easy for two adults and a child to get in there. And then once you're in, you close things up, and away you go. Here you have all the comforts of home. There's a speedometer, a horn, turn signals as we mentioned, sunroof. It's got it all. Manual transmission over here that you shift just like a motorcycle. It has a choke and a heater control, and it starts right up. And as a further enticement, now that we're past Labor Day, we've done some Labor Day discounts on a couple of our cars, including this one. The price on our website has been reduced, so by all means take a look at that, page through the website to see who we are, and we'll welcome any contacts from you. We'll do our best to earn your business. Thank you.
We are going to hop in the BMW Isetta with Bill and go out for a quick little cruise. This one is available for sale over on the site. You can learn more at farlandcars.com. We'll hop in. Flip that one. That's the Get that out of here. that's everything she got.